sa inyo yung mga binili ko kanina sa SM Department Store. Here's my paper bag, pero yung contents niya nandito na sa harapan ko. I'm ready to do my makeup. Instead of paying 2,232 pesos, ang binayaran ko is 2,008 pesos. That's because SM is celebrating with us the International Women's Month, and ngayong March, pag naka-reach ka ng 2,000 pesos, automatic na yon 10% discount. So I pulled in closer so you guys can see, and ang ginawa ko kanina sa department store, with a 2,000 peso budget, kinumpleto ko lahat ng pwedeng gamitin sa face. So I have a primer, foundation, I didn't have concealer because I'm going to explain later, and all of that para kumpleto siya na full face. First off, I have this Quick FX Snow Shine Mattifier, and binili ko siya for 89 pesos and 10 ml siya. This is nice actually kasi pwede mo siyang ipang travel, and marami akong naririnig na magandang reviews dito pero hindi pa siya natatry. So today is the day, and iti-twist lang natin siya. Okay, reusable daw to, pero paano kaya siya? Okay, so ayan, pag twist mo siya, meron ng hole, and ito yung ipang tatakip mo sa kanya pabalik. Cool. Tapos yung iba talaga nag-hoard nito. Pero nagtaka ako, nagtanong kasi ako dun guys, kung meron siyang nasa bottle, wala daw, ganito daw. And just blend with your fingers. Nag-moisturizer na ako kanina, yun lang yung nasa face ko, and now ito yung primer ko. Done with application, and guys, it feels exactly the same like the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko dun sa name niya, it is silicone, so it creates a very smooth canvas. Tapos medyo nafe-fill in din naman niya yung pores, and I think this is for oily skin. Kasi yung area dito, medyo nagpipil siya, na-accentuate niya yung mga patches. But anyway, maganda siya sa feeling. It feels smooth and madula siya. For foundation guys, we have this Essence Camouflage 2-in-1 Makeup and Concealer. So this is the reason kung bakit hindi na ako bumili ng concealer. It contains 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce, and ang taka ko sa kanya dahil 6 months lang expired na siya once you open it. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun guys, pero masyado siyang mabilis para sa foundation, lalo na kung hindi ka naman lagi magfa-foundation. So I'm squeezing out some product. Ayan. For best results, apply with a makeup sponge. So I'm using this beauty blender para i-apply siya. There. And ayan. Oh, grabe ang puti niya. By the way guys, this is shade number 30. Hindi ito yung pinaka-lightest. So, kamusta naman yung sobrang light? Inuuna ko lang tong area na may veins and dark under eyes para makita talaga natin and ma-build ng maayos. Ang dali niyang i-blend. May coverage siya. And feeling ko konting powder na lang yung kailangan ko. So that's a thin layer guys. And nashock ako, may coverage nga siya. Tapos nawala na yung redness na kanina nandito. As you can see, ito yung may foundation, ito yung wala. At kitang-kita yung redness dito sa side na walang foundation. So I'm also going to do yung kabilang side. Kaya lang guys, yung una ko napansin, that it really accentuates dry patches. Kasi dito sa side na to, or area na to, nagpipil siya. And kahit konti pa lang yung nailagay ko, halatang halata yung dry patches. Lagay din tayo sa neck kasi lutang na lutang yung face ko, and considering this is not the lightest shade, parang sobrang puputi ng shades nila. Kasi konti lang nilagay ko, okay na ako. Actually, kahit ganyan okay lang, pero I'm going to put on another layer, tas may natira pa. So, you guys can see kung anong itsura niya pag mas marami akong nilagay, or kung matatakpan ba niya talaga totally yung blemishes. But I don't think so. Parang almost too full siya. Since it claims to be a concealer as well, I'm going to layer dito sa mga areas na nakikita ko pa yung mga blemishes, and let's see kung mako-cover niya. Again, with a sponge, buti na lang hindi dry yung aking under eyes kasi feeling ko hindi ako makakapag-layer kung dry yan. Dadagdagan lang natin. Parang nagko-conceal ka lang din talaga but using foundation. But as a foundation and concealer, I don't think so. So magdadagdag pa ako ng concealer. When I touch it, it doesn't feel sticky and very minimal transfer sa fingers. It also feels lightweight, hindi tight yung feeling sa face. Kaya lang guys, the biggest letdown nga ay yung shades na available. Hopefully, nung pumunta lang ako sa counters, hindi available yung ibang shades. Kasi kung ito na yung darkest, hindi siya matatry ng karamihan. Now we're off the setting, and I got this Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Mattifying Waterproof Powder in the shade 010 Translucent. When you open, you get a mirror, and then ito yung pan. For the under eye, gagamitin ko rin si damp sponge kasi pag brush, hindi ako ganong makapasok dun sa parang crevices. And the story why I got this powder, on my way there, nakakita ako ng online article that says na-feature yung item na to. And sabi nila waterproof. I don't really know, pero let's see. Everything else, i-apply natin with this e.l.f. na powder brush. Hindi ko na nilagyan yung area na to dahil nagpipil nga siya. Pero ayan na siya. So this Catrice setting powder is 499 pesos. Now, hindi ko alam kung mabilis siya o matakaw siyang gamitin, pero it feels silky to the touch and yun nga lang, nakakadagdag siya ng puti. Next, I have this Nika K New York Duo Contour and first time ko siya makita na brand dun sa SM Department Store. I bought this for 199 pesos. So these are the swatches and I think yung lighter shade para sa skin tone ko, it can be used as a bronzer and this one for contour. Medyo mapula nga lang yung contour. I'm grabbing the lighter shade first and I'm going to bronze. Tingnan natin kung effect siya, kung makikita siya sa skin ko. Now, after that, I'm taking this darker shade, same brush, and konti lang, kasi baka maparami. Tapos magko-contour tayo. Unahin ko na yung blush, guys, para matapos na yung sa face. And I got this Golden Rose Silky Touch Blush On in the shade, hindi ko alam kung ano shade, 205. And this is for 249 pesos. Hoping mabe-blend pa rin siya. I got something na medyo warm tone. Gamit na lang ako ng sarili kong brush kasi ang hirap nun. And napansin ko na sobrang powdery niya. Talagang lumilipad yung particles na pagka kumukuha ka sa pan. Honestly guys, hindi ko siya gaano nagustuhan. Parang ang sakit na ng pisngi ko sa ka-a-apply. Hindi ko pa rin siya gaano makita. Ito, ang dami ko talagang nilagay bago siya nag-appear na ganito. We're off to doing our brows and I got this BYS Brow Gel in the shade Brunette and this is waterproof daw. So, open natin siya. Para lang siyang toothbrush na ganito i-open. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito yung packaging niya. This is the packaging and yung applicator niya, ayan, nasa taas. Medyo malambot lang siya. Let's see kung mag-work siya later. And when you open the product, ayan siya, ganyan. Dinip ko siya as in sobrang lambot nung pagka-gel niya. Ang dami kong nakuha, so parang konti-konti lang pala guys. Sobrang lambot nung gel, hindi ko ini-expect. Ikli lang nitong pang-apply and kung malaki yung kamay mo, baka mahirapan kang hawakan siya. Alam yung feeling? Para ka naghahawak ng pencil na sobrang ikli na. Pero in fairness, this is pigmented and madali naman siyang dumikit sa skin. Meron kasing ibang brow gel na parang tumudulas. Ito, dumidikit siya. And then, magsa-start na tayo mag-fill in. And in fairness naman sa kanya, ang ganda ng product na to. Dumidikit siya and hindi siya mapulang tingnan yung brunette. Ayoko kasi na mapula na pang-brows. So here you go guys, tapos na yung isang side. And sa tingin ko, hindi na kailangan mag-apply ng brow gel kasi na-tame niya na rin yung aking brows. Nagustuhan ko to. Now we're off to mascara and I'm not doing anything special on the eyes. Kilala nyo naman ako, hindi ako gaanong ma-eyeshadow. And the thing is, I'm going for that bold brow and bold lip. So we have this mascara, Maybelline Hyper Curl na mascara. And this is 199 pesos. So may packaging na siya, tapos naka-plastic pa siya. Ang galing. And apply the mascara. And do the lower lashes as well. Of course, let's not forget the lips. We have this Pinkies Collection long-lasting lip gloss in the shade Adore. And hindi ko alam kung bakit gloss yung tawag nila, pero hindi siya glossy. Tinry ko na siya and it's very much matte. So let's put on some gloss daw. Grabe, ang ganda ng kulay na to. And you know, rarely lang ako magsusuot ng mga ganitong ka-bright na lipsticks kasi parang masyado siyang striking for me and hindi lang din ako sanay. Pero kahit manipis yung consistency niya, hindi siya dumidikit and hindi siya nagkakrak. So there you have it guys. I'm done with the look and this is a very simple look to recreate kasi hindi siya namimili ng binabagayan. It's just bold brows and bold lip. For today's sit-down makeup tutorial, ang dami ko nagustuhan. Actually, konti lang yung hindi. First off, we have this foundation. Again, no expectations pero natuwa ako sa kanya. Medium coverage, hindi siya malagkit. It's very lightweight and it's 399 pesos. Next is the setting powder. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Mattifying Waterproof Powder. This is in the shade translucent but you do have to take note na nakakadagdag siya ng konting puti. Now, kung waterproof siya, hindi ko pa alam. I will let you know sa vlogs pag gagamitin ko ulit siya. Next is this product that I used on my brows. This is the BYS Brow Gel na waterproof din daw. Now, hindi ko rin alam kung waterproof siya because I have no ways pa ngayon para malaman but I will let you know sa vlogs. Hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung applicator niya. Definitely purchase your own, brow brush para mas maganda yung pagkaka-layer niya. It feels waxy and hindi mo na kailangan ng brow gel pa na ibaba. para iset yung iyong brow hair. Itong mascara na to, isa to sa mga nagustuhan ko nung nagsisimula ako mag-makeup. Until now, it doesn't fail to impress me. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And wait lang, munti ko na makalimutan, ito ding primer na to, this Quick FX or Quick Fix No Shine Mattifier, really does mattify, and mura lang siya. Also nice to bring with you kasi nga naka-sachet lang. Before I end this video guys, meron tayong giveaway. So we will have 2 winners of 5,000 peso GC from SM Supermalls. Very easy to join. All you have to do is follow SM Supermalls on Instagram and of course like their Facebook page. I'm going to put all of their account handles in the information box below. And do not forget to screenshot that you really followed SM's Instagram and send it to their Facebook page. This is a very nice giveaway kasi ito yung giveaway na makakapamili ka talaga kung ano yung makukuha mo since it's a GC. And yung sila sinasabi ko guys na 10% off of your purchase when you reach 2,000 pesos. That's still ongoing throughout March. So you still have 2 Wednesdays to prepare and to shop. So that is it guys. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!